How do you automatically detect a new network card in CentOS 6, RedHat? I'm using CentOS 6 in a virtual environment. When cloning a virtual version of CentOS, the old ETH adapters are removed and replaced with new ones and net MAC addresses. However, the ifkefgethen files still exist. I am trying to figure out how to get CentOS to automatically rescan an app, recreate the network adapters, ETH files, just like it did on install. Otherwise I am left with the tedious process as described here, this URL. I know there is a quick way to do this in the GUI, but we are using a server so GUI does not apply in this case. Help! Edit. Old Wolf suggested kudzu, however kudzu has been removed as of CentOS 5, so I would rather avoid that. There is a procedure that Linux runs on initial install. Can someone help me figure out what that is so I can manually trigger it?
With CentOS 6 everything is handled by udiff now. Go into /etc/udiff/rules.d and delete the 70 persistent net.rules file and reboot. If you open it beforehand you will most likely see the original and NBSP, NIC and NBSP, MAC listed as F0 and the new one as F1. Now you need to edit /etc/sysconfig/networkscripts/ifkeft F0 and manually update to the MAC of your new NIC card. Deleting the file forces the detection process to run again at boot with no baggage left over from the cloning process, namely the old and NBSP, NIC and NBSP, MAC address S. I have to do it with my CentOS 6 clones on VMware SC4.1 all the time. It's a pain. Kudzu would just handle it in the past with previous versions.
You can use this tool also. This is not a GUI tool. It's TUI tool, text-based user interface. Root at localhost /system config network TUI. Type above command and press enter. Then the screen will appear. Select device configuration and press enter. Then the screen will appear. Here S0 refers /etc/sysconfig/networkscripts/fcf-s0. Whatever the edit made in S0 that will affect to fcf-s0 file.
Delete the persistent rules file. Edit fcf-s0. Remove the waterline altogether, but change it to match your new NIC's MAC address. Reboot your system. If you change the NIC again, just repeat step number 1 and number 3.
Modifying files after clone would not work for my use case, thus I solved the problem as follows. You need to edit 2 files, removing the references to the MAC addresses in each. /etc/sysconfig/networkscript/ifkeft-s0, remove the what equals line. /etc/udiff/rules.d/70 persistent net.rules. Remove from it address equals up to and including the next comma. Now when you clone the VM and change the MAC address, networking will work as the MAC address never gets written to either file.
If you want to support PJ Hanna, please consider subscribing.